This is a fascinating story about Martin Ssali, a Ugandan-born food scientist at Makerere University. Upon completion of the Mandela Washington Fellowship, he moved back to Uganda to start Smart Foods Ltd. Mr. Ssali has turned his passion into a profitable business with the introduction of new soy foods and industrial soybean utilization.
The idea of doing tofu and the different soy innovations came when I was in my third year as a student of food science and technology at Makerere University, where we were encouraged to come up with new ideas which are going to move the Uganda's food industry to the next level.
Tofu is derived from soybeans. It's made by curdling fresh soy milk, pressing it into a solid block and then cooling it, in much the same way as traditional dairy cheese is made. It starts with getting dried beans from the farmers, washing the beans to separate the good ones from the bad ones, soaking the beans for a couple hours, and then transferring the beans to a food processor or a highly powered blender to get the soy milk.
We've got the idea of doing innovations in soybean, whereby we can be able to make tofu and be able to spice it up for the market, do soy milks, spice up the soy milk to taste like dairy milk. We come up with vegetarian sausages.
Tofu is a delicacy widely enjoyed around the world, and it's an excellent example of how soybeans can be woven into human food traditions in a way that is natural, inexpensive, and nourishing.
Make sure that the soy milk protein does not stick on the sides of the pan. After getting out our soy milk, which has curdled very well, and we have been able to press out the protein out of the milk using our hydraulic pressing machine, we finally end up with a final tofu that we package very well in vacuum packaging material.
Nutritionists say that tofu has an excellent source of iron, calcium, magnesium, and other minerals.
A block of 5 grams, it's going for about $2.5.
Besides being the ideal food for many vegetarians and vegans, it also packs an enormous amount of healthy benefits into those thin white blocks, including its ability to increase the blood circulation in the body and its iron and copper content.
As a company, we have realized that there is need to serve the low-income earners in the middle class, and so we have also ventured into the soynuts. They are very popular already in the country, but what we have done, we have taken up the ordinary soybean. Again, now we have added flavor to the soybean, and then we now have the soynut. It is very nice. It is soft. It has a very nice texture with an awesome flavor.
Nutritionists say if adults replace the meat and dairy intake with soy, tofu, and other soy products, they would also lower cholesterol and in turn would reduce the risk of several chronic diseases, including cardiovascular diseases. Paul Ndiho, VOA News, Washington.